3:30 in the morning. It's time to get out of here. Let's start this vlog out right. This will be the first time I'm just going to try using the Osmo Pocket all day through different airports, traveling across country. This should be fun. Airports. So much to do.
Should be pushing back from the gate here just a few more minutes. We do have to de-ice this morning. We've got some frost accumulation on the wings.
That was one of the bumpiest flights I've ever been on. Actually, I'm not afraid to fly, but I find it less than comfortable. But kind of made it interesting. Very scary for some people. All right, back in California, and here we have my friend Felipe. Say hello, Felipe.
Hello, Felipe.
Hey, he's still looking at me. The camera's stuck on me. I am tired. Riding never knocks me out like this, but flying beats me up. Being shoved in that tin can with all those other germ machines, not my thing. Is that the welcome you wanted? You know what? She actually sounds a lot like Ben.
Look who's back. Look who's back.
Did you take good care of my bike? Oh. And the rain found me. Shocking. I have not really seen a non-rainy day since I left Kingman, Arizona. I mean, I've had a couple hours here and there where I got to see a little bit of blue sky, but the rain is just making up for lost time. I've always been the bringer of rain, but this is just ridiculous. Although the Californians appreciate it. I ran into a friend this morning and they said, I knew you were back in town. And I was like, really? How did you know? Because it hasn't rained since you left. So, there you go. Hello? Daily use, $10. See, that's ridiculous. But this is where I've shot a lot of my long night exposures, fly my drone. I'm going to find out about getting a yearly pass. Because being that it's so close and I can walk from the house, although when you walk you don't have to pay. Look at this, they got the gate closed. Warning. You like them apples? I said it again. Oh no. I can park over here. I can ride down and park right here and then walk in and not have to pay at all, which is probably what I'll do because I'm cheap. I don't know if you might know. I don't know if you noticed, but it's raining. Shocking. So this is where I live, if I remember how to get in. Here it is. We had a pretty good storm. You can see these branches and everything weren't here yesterday when I got here. It was still nice when I got here. And we have the beach again, down there. Hey. This is the first time I'm going to my place without being shown the way. So if I get lost, just laugh at me.